Yes, it's the season of our yummy, sweet, and nutritious African star apple, popularly known as Agbalumo in Yoruba or Udara in Igbo. The English name is African star apple or African cherry. African star apple is a delicious tropical fruit packed with numerous nutritional and health benefits. Here's why you should add it to your diet. Nutritional benefits. 1. Rich in vitamin C, boosts immunity, promotes healthy skin, and helps in wound healing. 2. High in antioxidants, contains flavonoids and polyphenol that protect against free radicals and oxidative stress. 3. Good source of fiber, aids digestion, prevents constipation, and supports gut health. 4. Contains calcium, supports strong bones and teeth. 5. Low in calories, a great snack for weight management. 6. Contains iron, helps prevent anemia and supports oxygen circulation in the body. 7. Packed with magnesium and potassium, supports heart health and helps regulate blood pressure. Health benefits. 1. Boosts immunity. Thanks to its high vitamin C content, it helps fight infections. 2. Aids digestion. The fiber content supports healthy digestion and prevents constipation. 3. Supports weight loss. Low-calorie and high-fiber properties help control appetite. 4. Regulates blood sugar levels. Can help manage diabetes by slowing sugar absorption. 5. Promotes heart health. Magnesium and potassium help maintain normal blood pressure. 6. Detoxifies the body. Acts as a natural detoxifier, cleansing the liver and kidneys. 7. Improves skin health. Antioxidants and vitamin C contribute to glowing skin and prevent premature aging. 8. Reduces inflammation. Contains anti-inflammatory properties that help with arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. 9. Supports pregnancy health. Provides essential nutrients for both mother and baby. Take advantage of the season and enjoy nature's superfood. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.